Link lets you quickly gather people for a meeting no matter where they are. Let's say you need to meet with your coworkers about a project, but some of them work in different locations. Just schedule a Link meeting. Go to your calendar and click New Link Meeting. Add the people you want to invite and type a subject. Then choose the date and time. Type your meeting agenda above the line and be sure not to change any of the information below. Now click Scheduling Assistant to check everyone's availability. Here you can change the date and time if you need to. Now by default, anyone can join the meeting directly without having to wait in the lobby, and they all have presenter permissions. And these options are okay for informal team meetings like this one. But if you're inviting external people or planning to share confidential information, or if it's just a large meeting with a lot of people, then you should probably click here, Meeting Options, and select a new meeting space to set specific restrictions. But like I said, this is a small meeting, so I'll just leave it right here. Now I'll go back to my invitation. Make sure everything looks good, and click Send. And that's about it. We're done. You can join a Link meeting from anywhere as long as you have access to the internet. But before you join, take a few seconds to check your audio. Click this button, select Primary Device, and click Audio Device Settings. Select the audio device you'll be using during the meeting. And then click Check Call Quality to record your voice and hear how you sound. Now this will give you an idea of how you'll sound to others during the meeting. Now since I chose Headset up here, I'll just put my headset on and click Check Call Quality.
To check your call quality, record a short message after the tone. Then wait to hear how you sound.
Testing, testing. How's that sound?
Here's what I've heard.
Testing, testing. How's that sound?
If you like what you heard, then you're all set. If not, check your audio device settings and try again. Goodbye.
Okay, that sounds fine. I'll just click OK. When it's time for your meeting, open the invitation and click Join Link Meeting. Link gives you different options for audio, and you can pick the one you want. You can use Link Audio and Video, which lets you connect with your computer's microphone and speakers, a handset, or a headset. Or you can type your phone number here for Link to call you at any number you want, office, mobile, or even a conference room. But for this meeting, I'll just use Link. Then click OK. When you're in the meeting, click the phone button to mute or unmute yourself. Now, if you want to change your audio device in the middle of the meeting, point to the same button right here, the phone button. Click Devices, and then click the one you want. You'll be reconnected automatically with no interruptions. Now, what if you don't have access to a computer or the internet at the time of your meeting? You can still join. Just call one of the numbers listed in your invitation and enter the conference ID, which is also in your invitation. You can even find a local number if you're traveling so you don't get charged for a long-distance call. Now, one last thing. If you don't have Link installed on your computer, an application called Link Web App opens automatically when you click Join Link Meeting. Link Web App is a lighter version of Link Meeting Room and gives you most of the options available. There's no software to install, and you won't miss your meeting. Link lets you share your desktop and programs during a meeting. Others can even request control so they can edit a document or help with a demo in real time. When you're in a meeting, point to the Presentation button, the one here that looks like a monitor, and click Desktop. Or if you just want to share one program and you don't want people to see your entire desktop, click Program, choose the program you want to share, and then click Present. You'll see a sharing bar at the top of the screen and a frame around whatever you're sharing. Now you can go ahead with your presentation. But remember, when you share your desktop, everyone can see your programs, documents, and notifications, so be sure to block any information that you don't want people to see. I'm just sharing a single program here, so that won't be an issue. If you need someone's help during the meeting, you can let them take control of your sharing session to make it a truly collaborative experience. just like a face-to-face meeting. Click Give Control, then click someone's name. Now Anahita can make changes to the spreadsheet. And when she's done, I'll click Give Control again, and then take back control. People can also request control. You receive an alert which you can accept or decline. When you're finished sharing, click Stop Presenting to go back to your meeting window.